Hello guys, I'm back again. Now I am Ernest Amoko. You can call me Ernest 2. Okay, so this is part 6, and that is how to create this amazing school management system using Laravel. Okay, now we have done this part 6, as I said. To be able to follow along, I would advise you to watch from part 1. It's part of this playlist. Okay, so in our last video we learned about some basic settings that you need to do after the installation. And now we are going to continue. Okay. So this part is for those who want to use this software for business, like as institution or yes, a business organization by inviting schools on board. They will pay, they will pay for that. Okay. Yes, they will pay for your service. They will pay for using the system. You can add or limited number of schools. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So we are not going to waste time here. Let's go back here. I'm going to log in as admin. So I'm going to show you how you can uh how you can do this as a business. Okay, we have in our last video we were able to add one school first. Okay, so let's proceed now to use this as a business. Let's go to subscription. Okay, you need to create packages. Now by default we have only one package here. Okay, one package. Let me click edit here. Now the package, this is the package details. You can add that is, you can describe the package, and the package we have base price. So base price is like the amount that the person have to pay for that. Okay, and also you can decide to also charge them per student. So you may have a base price. Let's say if your base price is 100 cedis before you get this application or before your school be added, then after that you then can decide to charge per student. The reason why this function is very, very important is that, you see, you are the one who is going to, it depends how you are going to do the business. Okay, maybe you are going to add a student to the platform. Imagine if you are the one who is going to add a student. Look at the number. If they have a large number of students, it means that your work is not going to be easy. Okay, you are going to add all the students. It won't be easy. So that's why price per student is important here. Okay, so you can decide to reduce the base price. Then you add, you include the price per student. So if the price per student is 5 cedis, so that is or $5, then it means that if they have the student population is they have a lot of students, then it's many, the student population is many, then it means that you get more. So that's it. Now let's proceed. Okay, so you just have to know how to go about it. You can decide to make the price per student as 0, meaning you are not going to charge price per student, but the base price for the package is, let's say, 500. Okay, that is, if that's how you want to do it, so be it. You can also limit the number of students for the package. So let's say you can have the base price to be 500, but for the 500 is for, that is the number of students which can be added to this package is only 500 students or 200 students. So if the number of students the school is more than 200, they won't be able to add those students. Okay, yes. Or you can decide to leave it as 0 so that you have unlimited number of students for that package. Okay, then you can go through, is the same thing for the class and the others. After that, make sure you check all this. Now I added this feature because I'm talking about these features that you see here. You can decide to restrict some schools for using a certain feature because of their package price. Okay, for instance, we have AI tools. Imagine that you are going to add your own AI, you, the business the business owner or the one behind it, you are going to buy the AI tool. That is, I'm talking about the API. Okay. So imagine if the students are going to use the AI. That is, you are going to bear the cost. So you have to know that this package, are you going to include the AI or not? So that is, you have to decide what to do. If you are not going to include that, you just have to check that. Okay. But if it's part of the package, so be it, that you have to check it. So I've checked all that, all the functionalities here. You click update. Now I've just updated this plan. So as you can see, this plan is how we have monthly billing rate. So that is for the 500. I'm going to explain to you later. So don't worry. Later, I will break it down for you. So we are going to continue with creating another create plan or new, new plan. So let's say the first one was basic. Let's say this standard description. The amount, let's say, is 700 Ghana cedis. Number of students, price per student is 0. We are not going to limit that. Minimum student, 1. Maximum student, leave it. Okay, teachers. Okay, so here too, you have to select those functionalities that you want. Those who subscribe to this package to have access. I want to give access to all the schools, all the schools who subscribe to this package. Okay, so which means I have to check all of them. So you have to check all of them. Then let's see. After adding all the what is needed here, you click create. Oh, why? Okay, price per student. Let's put 0 there. Yes, so that it will allow us to save. So as you can see, we have 2 packages. Okay, so we have 2 packages. Okay, I don't know why this one is very long and this one is short. Okay, this one is basic. We have selected all the functionalities, but this one, some of them I did not select. So that's why the features here is very short. So that's it. So this those who want to use this for business, that's how the whole thing works. Okay, now let me open this on a new okay, so I'm going to open it in a private window because I want to show you something here. Let me paste the link here and open it. So I want to log in here as admin, school admin. Okay, so admin. Then so over here, let me locate. Okay, so here you have to come to subscription and you see this. Okay, so I hope you can see this. Good. Now I think I'm getting this error as a business. So this the whole thing. So we have standard 700, 500. So those who want to go with the yearly one, they will pay that. Monthly one, let's see the amount they will pay. The month. Okay, those who go with the monthly one, let's see. Okay, so you have to select the start date and end date. Okay, so pay stack. Okay, yes, I have to select the plan. So let's say I want to go with this plan. So select the plan, and for monthly one, I will be paying 70 cedis. Total amount 70 per month. Okay, if I decide to change the plan, if I decide to make it termly, I'll pay 245 cedis. Okay, but if I decide to select yearly, then I will pay 700. So that's how it works. Okay, so you have to know how to handle this. Okay, good. Now let's continue. So that's how the business aspect works. Later I will make a complete video on this one. And for those who want to use it for business, I nearly forgot about this one. So let me show you this. Let's go to super admin. And let's go to, let me log in here as super administrator. So let's come back here. Now over here, we are going to do something under subscription here. Go down here, you see something that you need to do. Okay, so over here we have paystack. So this one is purposely for those in Africa, those So here you can only use paystack. Yes, the only integration here is paystack. I'm sorry for that, but you can decide to let them pay you in cash, then you activate it for them. Okay. Yes, this is whereby if you want to make, if you want the schools to subscribe or pay for package online, then that is where you have to enter your paystack details here. But in case, you can also make it in a way that they will give you the money to you, then you have to activate it as I did after I added these JHS. Okay, so you have to enter your paystack public key and the secret key here. Yes, that's it. Okay, so that your customers, the schools can pay you. This is very, very important. So far so good. So those who be using this for business, these are some of the basic settings that you need to do. And also we have marketers, withdrawal marketers. Okay, so let me explain this. You can get people on board as marketers so that they will work as that is in a commission base. Like you add them, they will go to the schools, talk to the school owners. If they're able to convince them, then they'll get them on board, and you give them a commission. Okay, so you can decide the commission rate. You can, that is the commission rate is based on the package that the school will subscribe to. Okay, so 10% of the package that the school will subscribe to, you assign we add the marketer. So the marketer will have later I will make a video on that. Okay, so for now, so far so good. Thank you. We will end here. Later I will make a video based on how the marketer system works, okay, and how you can take advantage of that. Okay, so thank you